Connecting your Namecheap domain onto Netlify actually is quite easy. First of all, open up both your Namecheap and Netlify dashboard. As always, I will leave you links to both tools down below. And once you are on the Namecheap dashboard, make sure to select the domain where you do want to actually create the connection and also copy the domain name. So click on copy and then select manage right here on the right. Then head back to Netlify and select the project where you want to add this domain onto. For me, this would be this test223f project, and we will then have to head to the domain management settings right here on the left. Click on this, click on add a domain, click on add a domain you already own, and then insert the domain name from before. Once you've verified this, you can click on add domain right here and head back to Namecheap now and select the advanced DNS settings. Now, if you have any basically previous connections set up, make sure to delete them so that this isn't going to interfere with this. Otherwise, you can also just leave them in. To now connect this, add an alias record right here. For the host, make sure to insert an add, and as for the value, make sure to copy this right here and insert this. Then make sure to save this and add a new record and add a CNAME record in this case. Then open up the second tab right here and copy this one right here as well, including the dot at the end. Then insert this at the target, and as for the host, put in www. Now you can save these changes, and now you have basically added everything you have to actually use this domain. However, please note that usually this isn't going to take up to 24 hours. However, please note that usually this takes up to 24 hours to actually update, so make sure to keep that in mind if your domain isn't instantly connected, like for me it also is right here. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.